Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of innovative lighting with a super bright, flexible LED matrix panel nightlight. This remarkable product is perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to create stunning visual displays in various settings, from cars and shops to hotels and bars. With its vibrant colors and impressive brightness, this LED panel can transform any space into an eye-catching spectacle. What sets this LED matrix apart is its flexibility. You can easily shape it to fit any surface or design, making it ideal for creative projects. Plus, it's programmable. This means you can customize the display with your own graphics, text, and animations, allowing you to convey messages or create unique light shows. Installation is a breeze. Simply adhere it to your desired surface, connect it to the power supply, and you're ready to go. Whether you want to promote a special event, enhance your vehicle's interior, or add a fun element to your business, this flexible LED panel is the perfect solution. So, if you're ready to light up your life with creativity and flair, check out the super bright, flexible LED matrix panel nightlight today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product reviews and DIY ideas.